Hi, my name is Steve, and while today's video is very short, I can tell you it's taken me multiple weeks to put it together. I'm trying to continue to work on this journey of doing something different with 3D printer time-lapse photography and video. And really, I'm doing a couple of things. One, I'm adding rotation, so trying to get 180-degree rotation of the object as it's being printed and capturing that in a time lapse. And then the second thing is to remove the 3D printer background and just keep the print of the object and composite that with other videos or into other scenes to make it look like it's being printed where it's going to end up. So if you'd like to follow me along on this journey as I'm continuing to work on this, get better at this, learn tips along the way, if you have any suggestions for how to do things with compositing, leave some comments. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to follow, like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy it.